Yeah, guys. See how to access those elements. What are the address locations we discuss? Okay, which one is valid and which one is invalid? Guys, now I want to write here 2 by 3. Here I want to write 2 by 3 locations. Okay, we have 2 rows and 3 columns, right? That is 30. This is the first row, right? On 40, 50, 60. I want to write 40 and 50 and 60. Okay, which address location it takes? We discuss now. Clear screen. Clear screen. It removes the previous output. I want to print one by one address element. Okay. See, if I write 10, 20, 30, if I write 10, 20, 30, which element stored in which location? First, 10, 20, 30. What is 10, 20, 30? Which address? We check it once. See, I will draw a diagram. See, this is 10, 20, 30. Addresses also we check it. This is 10, 20, 130. Okay, we check it the first row or second row. See this. This is the first row. And second row elements are what? 40 and 50. And how to access them also we discuss. 50 and 60. We have taken these 6 elements. Okay. First, this address I want to know. This address. Or I want to print a. Okay, we check it. See, I want to print of a first element address. Okay, how many ways you can print a first element address? We check it. Percentile u. First element, how to print a first element address of, you know, this A00. This is A00. Is there any other ways to print? We check it. Assume this address is what? Sorry, comma. My is missing. See this. That address is what? First element address is what? We check it once. What is first element address? See, 65,514. Guys, this address is what? 65,514 it is. Okay, next element address we check it. What is the next element address? Okay, see. How many ways we can access also we check it. Second element address. Printf of or same line I want to display. Percentile u, 3 elements, first 3 elements I want to print. Percentile u, address of EF1 I want to write. Address of A01, same address of A02. See, what are the other elements? 514, 516, 518. This is 65,516. And what is the next element? 518. 65,518. This is 65,518. Guys, see, 514, 516, 518. These three are continuous. What about these two elements? We will print those values also. See, guys, printf of. Now I want to print those elements. Slash n percentile u and percentile u. See, here I want to print a second element A10, same address of A11, and address of A12. See, guys, this element I want to display. That is what? 18. After that, 20 and 22, 24. Nothing but a. This is allocating continuous memory locations, right? This is 65,520, and this element is 522, 65,000, 522, and this is 65,524, 524. This is elements. Clear this? Continuous memory location. If it is not just not storing in the matrix format, continuous only. If it is a double dimensional array or triple dimensional array, it takes same way, right? Continuous memory location, adjacent or contiguous. Okay, now how many ways we can print? This is A00, right? If it is A00, how to write address of A00? Can I write in another manner? I want to see. I want to display in another manner. Printf of first element. First element I want to address. I want to print another format. Percentile u first element. Actually, percentile u address of A00. Address of A00. I want to write. You know this address of A00. Can I write like this? We can write like this, right? A plus 0. You know what is A plus 0? A plus 0 nothing but a address of A of 0. And can I write like this? We check it. First element address A plus 0 of 0. Okay, this one also we can write. Okay, see once. 514. Same address or not? Okay, same thing. We can write another format also. See, printf of first element only. How many ways you can write? Percentile u, percentile u. Are you following what is this? You know, right? This is a of 0, a of 0. How to write a of 0 address? Address of a of 0 we write like this. Address of a of 0 we write like this. A plus 0 we write. Are you following? Address of a of 0 we write like this. What is there here? A of 0 0 is there. A of 0 0. If it is a of 0 0, first address of a of 0. I have taken this value. Only this is, I have taken this value. I replaced with this. I replaced with a plus 0 and this. Okay. Okay. See guys, how to write this? This value we can write like this. A plus 0 of a plus 0 of 0. Again, it is the same format. Again, it is same format, right? A0 format. This is, then how to write this? We can write like this. Guys, see, a plus 0 plus 0. See this. Are you following this? A plus 0 of 0. This is address of A00. You can write A plus 0 of 0 or A plus 0 of 0. Are you following? Are you following, guys? Prudvi, Ruhina,
Yes, sir.
are you following this? Address
Yes, sir.
location, how to access them? See this. We can write A plus 0 of same thing. We can write see this. What I'm writing? A plus 0 of A plus 0 of plus 0. A plus 0 of plus 0. One check it. Same address or not? See this? Okay, guys. Second element is there, right? How to write those second elements? See guys, second element address I want to print percentile u. Okay, second element address in this format, how to write? See this, a plus 0, a plus 0 of 1, that is a plus 0 of 1. Okay, a plus 0 of 1. Same thing I want to write in this format. In this format, how to write in this format? Percentile u. See this, percentile u, that is a plus 0, a plus 0 of again plus 1. You can keep a braces. Same for this one also. Third element, how to print third element? A0, address of A02, address of A02. How to write? Address of A, we can write A plus 0, and 2 we can write. This 2 again we can write in another step. See how to write? A plus 0 plus 2. See this, percentile u and percentile u. Three values you are printing. See, nothing difficulty, nothing difficulty, guys. See, understand this, understand this. See this, 514, 516, 518. This element we can write like this. Address of A of 0, address of A of 0, this. Okay. I want to access the value. If you want to access the value, can I write star here? Can I write star? Can I write star here? See, this is address. Can we write like this or not? We check it. See, that is 10 is printed. 10 it is printed. But for this, it is not working. Why? Because you have to keep everything in the parenthesis. See guys, this is valid. See this, sorry, 514 star of, see this, star of a plus 0, a of 0, that is address a plus 0 or plus 0. Everything keep a star. If I keep a star, that is plus 0, right? First element, this is star. If I write a star, this is star, and this is also star. If I write those elements you are accessing, 1040, this is what? A plus 0 of 2. A01, A02, A02, 40. Okay, first addresses. First write these addresses. You understood, right? This address. What is this address? How to access one by one element? These are the address. These are the addresses. Remove this. These are the addresses. First element address, second element address is 514, 516, 518. 514, 516. Sorry, this is 26. 2026. 516.